Okay guys, you're going to do something a little bit different this week. You're going to record a video of your own into VoiceThread. And there's a couple ways to do this. I just wanted to walk you through them so you would recognize the interface. Once you're in the assignment, Real World Activities Explanation Practice, you will read the assignment about the video you're going to make. But then this link down here will take you to the VoiceThread website. So click this link. And if it doesn't automatically sign you in, sign in here and use your, sign in with Google, use your arupevirtuallearning.org or arupevirtual.org email address. Just so that everybody, here we go, has a Google address, you have that. Once you log in, it will take you to a page. You will not have all of these listed. These are the videos that I've made. And if you had made any videos, it might have the videos that you have watched, depending on how you're logged in. What you're interested in here is this part up here, this create feature. So click the create button. And from here you can make your video or put your video on in several ways. You can make your video directly onto the VoiceThread app. There's not very many editing tools available on here, and it does not necessarily download to save on your device. So I have made some videos on here that I then lost. Once they're deleted, they're gone, and I was having a hard time downloading them. But if you want, for simplicity's sake, to just go ahead and make your video right on here, when you click this middle Add Media button, you can choose the webcam video option, and that will allow you to record directly onto the site. It will look like this, and then let you start recording. The other ways to put videos on here involve making a video on a video editor that you're familiar with, iMovie, or I use ScreenPal, which used to be Screencast-O-Matic. So if you make a video on another source and edit it however you wish, then you'll want to save it or host it on one of two places, either in Google Drive or on YouTube. If you host the video in a Google Drive, which you can use your Arupe Google Drive for that, when you click Media Sources, you'll be allowed to search your Google Drive. So you click here and it will walk you through connecting to your Google account where it is saved. And then you click My Drive and you will find things that you have saved in a Google Drive. You can click on them and upload them, or you can upload using this URL button. Unfortunately, this does not allow you to use links to anything other than YouTube, but if you have hosted a video on a YouTube channel and it's made public, then you can copy the YouTube link and paste it directly into here. So I have copied a YouTube link from a previous video, and I can paste it right on here and save, and it will upload the video. Once you're uploading something, it will take you to this page here where you are able to enter some information. If you'll enter the name of the exercise, which is Explanation Practice, and then if you'll put your name on there on that line too. You can check the playback options. And if you remember to do this, go ahead and allow any kinds of comments over here. And then you can save. The video that you're uploading will take a few minutes to process, and then it will appear here. If your entire video is all set and uploaded, that's all the creating you need to do. You could edit if you wish, but you can click this share button. And the simplest way to share it, you're gonna want the link to upload and submit on the course page. So click Get a Link down here, and then please click both boxes allowing viewing and commenting on the link, because I'll want to watch it and also comment on your upload. Once you have the link, then you can go back to this course page, and wherever your submit button is, you can click submit, paste the link in, and then I'll be able to find your VoiceThread page to go ahead and grade your assignment. If you have any questions, as always, send me an email and we'll work through it. This is the first time I've had you guys do this, so and I don't necessarily see it from the student's perspective, so definitely point out if you're seeing something different than I am and if you're having any trouble. Thanks.